Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying fitment, measure lug pattern, thread pitch, and hub bore to avoid runout. Next, choose spacer thickness based on wheel offset and fender clearance. Start conservative. Once done, jack the car, remove the wheel, and clean the hub face thoroughly. A flat, rust-free surface prevents vibration. Then test fit the spacer on the hub, hand tighten a couple of lug nuts to seat it, and check for any obvious gaps before moving to the next step. You now fully secure the spacer and wheel. Mount the spacer and align it, then hand thread all studs or wheel bolts. Tighten in a star pattern, increasing torque in even stages so the spacer seats flat. This prevents warping. Use a calibrated torque wrench and follow the spacer or vehicle spec. Do not guess. If the spacer uses extended studs, ensure wheel nuts run flush. Once torqued, lower the car and perform a slow roll to verify no rubbing. Finish with final checks. Drive at varied speeds and monitor for vibration or steering pull. Make sure you retorque lugs after initial 5,100 miles. If you experience ABS warnings, check sensor clearance and wiring. Some sensors sit close to the new spacer and require adjustment. Should you feel wobble or excessive runout, remove the spacer and inspect for debris, bent studs, or incorrect hub-centric fit. Replace the spacer or use a correct hub ring. Safety always comes first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.